Good afternoon, Year 5. This afternoon's lesson is RE. We are learning to understand what a pilgrimage is and make links to our own experiences. So hopefully, to be successful, we can link religious pilgrimages to special journeys from our own experiences, explain why pilgrimages are special, identify special journeys that we have taken, and identify similarities between pilgrimages and our own special journey. So, we're going to watch a video in just a second, and what I want you to think about, to see whether you can answer any of these after the video, is what is a pilgrimage, what makes a pilgrimage special, and what do people do on them? Hopefully, guys, this video works today.
Rivers are holy places for Hindus, and we believe bathing in them removes bad karma. The most famous bathing ceremony is the Kumbh Mela. It takes place in India in the river Ganges. Up to 40 million people come to be purified in the water. That's 5 times the people living in London. It's the biggest gathering of humans on earth.
The atmosphere is so fantastic. Everybody is so high on energy, and it feels like you're opening the doors to heaven and entering heaven itself.
This type of gathering is called a pilgrimage. A pilgrimage is a journey people take to get closer to God. It's something all Hindus try to do at least once in their lifetime if they can. Rivers, mountains, and temples linked to different gods and goddesses are all popular places to visit. I've been on pilgrimage to Shirdi, the home of a late Hindu guru. This is the god that we worshipped. His name is Sai Baba. We saw him in white stone. Many of my friends have been on pilgrimage too.
I went to Borsad to see the temple of the sun god. It was a beautiful day. The sun was shining on the temple and it was really bright. I couldn't see. I had to keep my eyes squinted as well. I felt really close to God. And I thought to myself, wow, like there's a God for the sun, and like we should pray to the sun God to give us light and make the day beautiful every day.
I went to Ambaji when I was about 10. It's like a big mountain. You have to climb about 1,000 steps. It's so tiring and it's so hot. When you get there, it's so satisfying when you see Ambaji Ma.
Pilgrimage isn't just a holiday. It's a spiritual experience, and we should remember that when we get home.
I go every morning outside on the street and pour water and say Om Suryaya Namaha until the water is finished. So you pray to the sun god and say that, oh, thank you for giving us light yesterday, and could you give us more light today and make the day beautiful again.
When I look at these souvenirs again, it brings back really, really good memories, and it also reminds me of how close I was to God and how beautiful the place was.
When you come back, it's how you're treated. My parents treated us like kings and queens. They will bow to our feet. They say that you've been to heaven and you've come back. You become compassionate towards people. You start understanding people around you. You start respecting their ways of life and understanding their values.
Okay, so a pilgrimage is a special journey. It's often to a place of significance, possibly a shrine, but it's about experiencing spiritual enlightenment, so feeling closer to God, or the God that whichever religion those people belong to, they believe in. So it might be Hindus, Buddhists, etc. Okay, lots of different religions go on pilgrimages. Of course, we looked at one just there from the Hindus, but it's about finding a deeper understanding of their beliefs. Okay, and it's special because actually lots of people only manage to do this once in their life. Lots of religions would like you to do it once a year, but of course, for some people, that's not possible. So for a lot of them, it's a once in a lifetime kind of opportunity. Now, what I would like you to do is to write down any journeys that you take. It might be regular journeys that you take on a daily or weekly or even yearly basis. It might be journeys that you've only been on once. So write them down onto bits of paper, a separate piece of paper, small pieces for each journey. And then once you've done that, I would like you to think about the following. So, are all journeys the same? Are some journeys more special than others? What makes one journey special but not another? Okay, sort your sticky notes or your bits of paper, your journeys, into ordinary journeys and special journeys. What makes one ordinary and one special? Okay, once you've done that, it's time to move on to your main activity. So you will need your ideas to help you. You need to sort your journeys, your ordinary journeys and your special journeys into the categories. You need to choose one from each category and you need to compare them. So write a short paragraph to compare your special journey and your ordinary journey. What makes one special and one ordinary? And that is all I would like from you this afternoon. So hopefully you've had a nice time reminiscing over some of your journeys, particularly the more special ones. It might be that you've thought about holidays or special journeys that you've taken with family, or to go and visit family or something like that. It's something that we're all hoping for soon. But as I say, hopefully you've had a lovely afternoon, a lovely day, and we will look forward to hearing from you. See you later.